Struggling with the Windows Update error? I'll share 4 effective fixes to resolve this issue. Stay tuned for solutions to get your updates back on track. Press Windows, type Notepad, and open the first result. Copy and paste the following commands. Then select File followed by Save As. Here, select Desktop from the left side to save the file there. Name the file wufix.bat. Select all files next to Save As type, and click Save. Right-click the wufix file on your desktop and select Run as Administrator. Reboot your PC once the process is done. Press Windows key plus R and enter services.msc. Press Enter or click OK. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service, right-click it and choose Start or Restart from the menu. Now right-click Windows Update and choose Start or Restart. The Windows Update download error will be solved. Press Windows plus I then click the Troubleshoot section on the right. Click Other Troubleshooters. Locate the Windows Update Troubleshooter and click Run next to it. Press Windows plus. I then go to System followed by Recovery on the right side. Click the Reset PC button.